A very good afternoon, class. So, as you all know, in the last lecture, we have finished with lesson number 2, topic insurance. I hope you all have practiced all the 14 sums in your notebook and understood them very well. If not, kindly do it, and if any doubts, please let me know. Also, I had disclosed in the previous video what topic we are going to study today. Do you all remember, class? What was the topic? All right. If not, then listen to this. When you deposit some money in a bank, you are entitled to receive more money in the form of interest from the bank than you deposit after a certain period of time. Or when people borrow money for a certain period of time, they pay back more money again in the form of interest. Yes or no, class? Both these examples show us that money has a time value. A rupee today is worth more than a rupee after 1 year. This time value of money explains why the interest is paid or earned. Whenever any financial transactions occur at different points of time, they must be brought to a common point in time to make them comparable. Consider the following examples. Ashok deposits 2,000 every year in his bank account for 5 years at a compound interest rate of 10% per annum. What amount will Ashok get at the end of the 5 years? So we want to know here, Ashok deposited annually for 5 years in his bank account. So what will be his future value of money? We also come across a situation where a financial company offers to pay rupees 8,000 after the end of 12 years per 1,000 rupees invested today. We wish to know the rate of interest offered by this particular company. So class, studies of these nature can be carried out by studying annuities. So yes, class, the topic which we are starting today is of lesson number 2, insurance and annuity. And our focus today will be on the topic annuity. So what is exactly an annuity? Annuity is a series of payments made at fixed intervals, guaranteed for a fixed number of years or lifetime of one or more individuals. Similar to a pension, the money is paid out of an investment contract under which an annuitant, that is the depositor, deposits certain sum fully or in installments with an annuity guarantor, which can be a government agency or an insurance company. So as we saw, like insurance was also a contract between two parties, the company, that is the insurer, and the person, that is insured. Similarly, annuity is also a contract basically between a government agency or an insurance company, wherein the company is called as an annuity guarantor and the person paying or depositing the money is called as annuitant. The amount paid back includes both principal as well as interest. Now, what are the parties to an annuity? How many people are involved when an annuity is concerned? The first person is the annuitant who receives an annuity. The second is the issuer, usually an insurance company which issues the annuity. Third, the owner, any institute or person who buys the annuity from the issuer and makes contribution to an annuity. And the fourth, beneficiary, a person who receives death benefit from an annuity after the death of the annuitant. So these are the four parties to an annuity. Phases of annuity. Now annuity has two particular phases. Number 1, accumulation phase. As the name tells you, accumulate means to collect. Jama hona. So money is added to the annuity. So the accumulation phase of the annuity includes that phase wherein money is added to the annuity. An annuity can be purchased in one single lump sum, that is single premium annuity, or by making investments periodically over time. So the money is keep on added to the annuity account. The second phase is the distribution stage, wherein the annuitant receives the annuity which is accumulated. Now there are two options for receiving the distributions from an annuity. The first option is to withdraw some or all of the money in the annuity in lump sum or altogether. The second option, also called as the guaranteed income stage, provides a guaranteed income for a specific period of time or the entire lifetime of the annuitant. Types of annuity. There are three types of annuities, namely, number one, annuity that is certain. So annuity which is certain provides a series of payments for a set period of time to the annuitant or its beneficiary. As it has got an expiration date, it offers a typically higher return than a lifetime annuity. The lifetime period can be, the typical return rate can be of 10, 15 or 20 years. So this particular annuity is certain. That means you will be getting a certain sum of payments for a set period of time. As I told you, either for 10 or 15 or 20 years. That is why the rate of return is higher in comparison to the annuity which is paid lifetime. Second, contingent annuity. Now, contingent word you have come across while studying accounts as well. Or in SP subject also this word must have arisen. Contingencies means emergency situation or uncertain situations or situations you were not expecting, unexpected situations. So here the income or the payment starts as soon as the stated contingency or emergency event occurs. For example, in case of death of the husband, the wife will start getting the monthly payments. So in this case, the contingent event was death, which was unexpected. So contingent annuity is paid only, or it starts only when the stated event has occurred. Otherwise, there is no payment in such type of annuity. Perpetual annuity or lifetime annuity, which you can say. Perpetual means long lasting. It is a promise to pay certain amount of money to the person or owner for lifetime or forever. But the value of the perpetuity annuity is not infinite. The bulk of the value of the perpetuity comes from the payments which you will be receiving in the near future, and not that you might receive, say, 100 or even 200 years from now, because no person lives that long. So it is a promise to pay certain amount of money to the person or owner for lifetime or forever, that is in the near future. So these are the three types of annuities. So I hope up till now the topic is clear. Classification of annuity. Annuity is basically classified into three categories. Number one, immediate annuity. Number two, annuity due. And number three, deferred annuity. In your syllabus, we'll be studying only about the first two types, that is immediate annuity and annuity due. But this topic we'll be covering on Monday. So class, on Monday, we'll be starting with the topic immediate annuity, and we'll see some sums which are related on how to calculate annuity immediate. So till then class, take care, stay safe and keep studying and keep practicing. I hope you all have maintained a notebook for maths in which you all are practicing the sums regularly. If any doubt class, please let me know for the same. So thank you so much for listening to me, and we stop here for today.